today on Mitten Trucker's Garage, where we do shit backwards. What we're going to do today, we're going to take everything off the S10 and put it in the shelves. Just be a different new video coming out probably tomorrow. Hope y'all like. Enjoy.
Highs in the lower 70s. Rain begins to exponentially later this evening and into the overnight. Lows in the lower 50s.
Let's move that table.
This is WH.
Move that table out of the way. Let's go over here and get everything over here. You know what my brother does all the time? Everything that actually goes to the truck, to the motor and all that, we'll be getting put over here. So, yeah, you'll see me going over here, put stuff up, and you'll see me over here putting stuff up.
But, you know, surprise.
The truck will be getting new parts, so some of it, truck's being. That's good to see on YouTube, huh? But anyway, truck's gonna get new parts, and then so everything you actually see me putting over here, some of it won't be used because some of it's actually for the four cylinder 2.2. It actually goes for that, so we won't be using that. We're going to be actually using 5.3 out of my Chevy Silverado. It no longer works, so I'm tired of messing with it. So we're just going to yank the motor out of it and get all the good stuff off of it. And call that done and throw it in here and go from there. All I just need is the rear end and a transmission. And a whole new front end. That guitar that you just seen me throw away was actually part of a backyard wrestling. If you go to Kinky on YouTube, like, subscribe to them, and if you like wrestling, we kind of do a lot of backyard wrestling there. Please like, yeah. Let's get back to this. I don't know why it keeps all this junk. We'll have to call the city and have them come and pick this up Tuesday when they come out. That's cleaned out.
Play Q103 Louisville or listen to us on the TuneIn app or at QLouisville.com.
So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what it looks like. The next video we'll be getting the bed and the cab off and getting the rest of this out, and then we're gonna work on the frame. So I'm gonna flip the camera back around and we'll get this stuff right here out real quick. Now some of it I can't get out because I gotta find out how to get the wires out for the dash. Once I do that, we'll get it all out. This truck's been in my family since '06. It's actually pretty cool. In the last video, I mentioned a place called Kinky on YouTube. It's a backyard wrestling show. Go to their page and watch if you're into backyard wrestling and whatnot. Go to their page and like, comment, and subscribe for them. And y'all, I hope y'all's doing good on this quarantine. Staying home, staying safe, staying healthy. Hit that like button, hit that comment, and hit that subscribe button. More videos coming at you.